Alright, this is day number 25 of building my startup from the kitchen with a shitty internet. So if the stream stops, that's internet. Alright, so what do we have so far? We have kind of something like landing page, a little bit, looks like a little bit like landing page, nope, this is not a distraction. And we have the whole syntax and basics module. And yesterday I already have sent it the first students to test it out, which is awesome. And so we have everything works here. The order is not really good, but the order is gonna be fixed. And with the SOQL queries, something doesn't work. So our task for today will be to fix this whole module, or at least create tasks for this module, right? Let me go and try to see. Okay, so maybe the problem is that we are not connected. And as always, I have coffee here. Coffee here, of course. How can I cannot live without coffee. Okay, I signed out. Now let's see. Okay, sign in. SOQL. Okay, indeed, something goes wrong. And I'm gonna write the bugs. SOQL can't be open. SOQL module can't be open. Screenshot and that goes to Sasha. So yesterday Sasha developed an awesome admin platform for me where I can do very efficiently the tasks, and that's been great. It saved me so much time. Like yesterday I went very quick through doing all the tasks and I finished them. If Sasha wouldn't develop this platform, I would be still doing the tasks. Okay, let's see. I'm live here. Let me get here the statistic. And let's see if I'm live on Twitch. I should be live on Twitch. Yep, I am Twitch. I am. If you want to watch me on Twitch, usually it's better to watch me on Twitch because the streaming, because I mean Twitch is done like for streaming, but if you want to watch the recordings, then of course it's better to watch them on YouTube. It kind of makes more sense. Alright, but if you... Alright, so one more thing, I'm gonna write welcome to the day. Welcome to day 25. We are approaching 1 month of building a business, which is quite nice. That I've been streaming for 1 whole month, every day, every single day, sometimes even multiple times in a day. Alright, so this is the plan, creating SOQL chapter, but for that, to create the SOQL chapter first, I need to see what do we have for SOQL chapter, and I don't think we have that much actually. Let me go to the projects, content map. Okay, so we have module 1, module 2, lesson 1, lesson 2, and blah 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 blah. So I need to understand what do I need to include into which of the lessons, and then if I have the material already for that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the Cloud Prism and I'm gonna see what do I already have. Admin. I definitely already have some tasks. And as always, the admin panel of my old website, it just takes insane amount of time to load. Posts, all posts, and then in the post I'm gonna search for SOQL queries. And let me Google Sokol Salesforce. Let's see how other people teach it. Aggregate queries. This is a nice idea to represent as a table. I probably should steal this idea. Limits and limitations. Is there a difference between limits and limitations, the word? For me it sounds like one same word. Okay, and then summary. Alex Crisp. I worked with Alex in the same company. We haven't met, we have never spoken, but we worked at the same company. And we worked at the same company with the Salesforce ban, which I understood only after I joined the company. I was like, oh wait a second, the Salesforce ban worked there in the London office. I'm like, wow, is he still working there? And then it turns out, nope, he's not. So I missed the chance. Okay, how to write Sokol in Apex. Yeah, we're gonna... So one of the features that we will be doing, I will not focus on Apex. I will focus just purely on the Sokol queries. Quite similar to this one. So let's go to the documentation. Okay, let me search for Sokol. Let's see how I used to describe it and how I used to teach it. Sokol syntax, yep. Sokol in Apex, that's my main article. Query custom object. Yeah, this is good. That goes definitely topic. I would say topic 1. Gonna say Sokol topic 1 syntax. So let's write it down. So the lesson 1 is gonna have syntax, right? Yeah, we have syntax. I would say basic syntax. Boots, hi. I'm good. How about you? I have my coffee here, so I started the stream a little bit earlier today because I have quite a stacked day during the day, so I have to go. I have a lot of meetings. I mean, not a lot. I have like 4 meetings, but all of them, they have a gap of 1 hour in between. So that they are like distributed over the whole day, just 4 meetings. Yeah, that's a bit stupid. I used to have meetings that start, some meetings they start at, let's say, 11:30 or 1:30 or 2:30, and it used to be such a chaos. I switched at some point. I switched. It was the best shift ever. I switched so that you can book a meeting with me only at like. Do you plan on creating maybe Discord for the community? I think it would really help to grow your viewer base. I don't like see. I don't plan any. I don't know. I don't have any plan for the YouTube channel now, because I don't. I never thought that many people gonna watch me. And second, I don't even know who is watching me. Like, are you? And I still understand why people watching me. Like, you're watching because of the coding. Probably not the best place to watch because of the coding, because I haven't been coding for the last week, I guess. Watching because of the business, well, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it out. Like, I don't know. But I'm totally addicted to streaming. I like to hang out with you guys. I'm watching you. Yeah, I mean, I like hanging out with you. Do you know this guy called Amin Bagheri? Yeah, of course I know him. Yeah. I mean, he, like, so I started building this startup just completely on my own. And then I saw this guy, Amin Bagheri. I didn't like his style. Like, I'm not that type of person. I'm not that type of person. I'm not into this what's the guy named Andrew Tate, right? I'm not into Andrew Tate stuff. And I will never be, and it's like stupid. So I'm not this type of guy. But I like the idea, and I was like, hey, wait. This is actually a really good idea, not to be silent about what I'm building, but just show how I build it. And the purpose was never to get views or something. The purpose was just to document the journey, and maybe 2-3 people gonna see it and get inspiration of it. Or maybe some other people who are on the similar road are also building a business gonna see it. That was the idea. But yeah, I know the guy, but I don't really watch him. I mean, he's probably doing great content. The Discord he's building and the community is so good. I hang out there every day, stream on the VC, on the startup I'm working, etc. Oh, really? I never checked it out. Probably I should check it out. In the work VC while building stuff. What do you mean work VC? What's venture capital? What is that? But I think even if, for example, even if I don't like Andrew Tate, I don't dislike him or something. I mean, he's insanely good at marketing. It's one of the best marketing geniuses now alive. They have voice channel where people join, stream their screens, and just work silently on their startups made. That's actually interesting. That's nice. That's a nice idea. Yeah, probably could join. Let's see. I mean, I have few communities that I'm in. The really good one is the small bets. They are awesome. Like, this community is good. I love them. They're paid community, so I also like the idea of paid communities. I mean, free communities are also good actually, but paid communities, they kind of make a little bit of filter that people are actually serious about joining the community. Yeah, I agree. Andrew Tate is marketing genius, even though I don't agree with the most of what he says. Yeah, I mean, he says, the way Andrew Tate says it is that he says a lot of stuff that is true, but he says also a lot of things that are not true and that are bullshit, and like, I don't know. But the way he says them, it's so hilarious. It's so hilarious. And the funny part is that people take it seriously. Like, that's the funniest part. Like how he is sitting. I saw him. I saw quite a lot of his video. Like, he's sitting like with a cigar, like. So it's quite funny. Really good marketing. So I need to learn from this type of shit. Like, it's obviously working. It's obviously working. You mind sharing the link? Sure. Like, you wanna be Andrew Tate for 1 hour a day. You wanna turn into this marketing genius and then go away. Like, I don't wanna have a life that Andrew Tate has. Like, that's a shitty life. That's a shitty life. He pays this huge price for having so much popularity. Like, I don't think, I mean, obviously his business is huge, right? He makes a lot of money. But that's not the price that I am, for example, willing to pay. I'm not willing to be a clown or do this crazy type of marketing for getting this amount of money. Like, you're basically making yourself stuck into this role. You cannot start another serious business. I mean, you probably can, but like, still, you have to play this role. You have to stick to your character. It's quite a shitty life, even though it means a lot of money. I wouldn't want this. Like, I wouldn't want this. I wouldn't want the money though. Can I do the money part without having all the like jail shit and like living in Romania stuff? If I can, I would like to do. Is he still banned from the YouTube though? They banned him, right? Yeah, he doesn't have a channel. He doesn't have a channel. Maybe he never had, I don't know. Maybe he never had. Like, look at this. That's funny. Okay. I think his official channel is banned. Yeah. Yeah, probably. I think I remember I watched a few videos where he complained that they banned him from platforms. But there are thousands of shorts being released on his podcast, etc. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, I wonder why they banned him, though. I mean, the guy makes his money off selling his real world course. Yeah. Well, quite frankly, I think people shit on him too much. Like, he's selling course. Like, he doesn't. I mean, if we take out all the allegations that he has, it's if like none of the allegations is true, it's like he's just making business. Like, what the hell? Yes, like the marketing is quite something. He has affiliate program where the people who buy his course have to market his image and get paid of that. Yeah, well, this is just like he doesn't force people to do that. Like, people are happy to do that. It's like, okay, it's just a business. And get paid of that. Yeah, I mean, that's just a business. I feel like people, whenever they see someone is building a business, they kind of tend to be shitting sometimes too much. I wish he would do a real stuff. Like, the thing is that he has definitely genius knowledge about marketing, and the way he doesn't do legit stuff. Like, that's the thing. He doesn't like affiliate program. I will never buy affiliate program or this course. Just not for me. I'm not gonna buy into this type of marketing. But if at some point he switches into completely serious character, like completely just normal human being, and starts teaching something like Hormozy, for example, like Hormozy. So if he switches once into like real, stuff like Hormozy, I would buy his course. I'd buy his course because he has a lot of knowledge. That's for sure. Basically, a Ponzi scheme. 90% of his affiliates don't make anything. Yeah, I mean, then it's shitty. I mean, yeah. probably also his marketing is, oh, get rich in 90 days or something. And this Hustle University, right? That's his stuff. Andrew Tate University. The Real World Portal by Andrew Tate. What is the real world? The real world. Oh my god, I call my course Real World Project. I see. The Real World is a global community by Andrew Tate where blah blah blah, advanced training and mentoring from our team of millionaire industry specialists. Transfer talent through many focused unique program. What do I get access to? Step-by-step blueprint, easy to follow program for financial success. Quickly learn high income skills. Secret how to... Oh, this is good. Like, this is good. Like, look at the copy. The copy is good. Like, the copy is not... You know, people sometimes, and I do, like, people make a mistake where they write a copy in very long way of explaining something. I tend to do it as well. Just bad copy, but he has a good copy. Like, probably he didn't write the website himself, but he definitely has someone who understands how to write sales copy. Network with 200 people on the same mission. Friends, celebrate your wins. Multimillionaires in your pocket. Lay out a plan that works for you. This is good. This is good. I should take some of this wording from my website though. Our teaching philosophy. Learn aloud around like-minded people and from like-minded mentors. Teaching how to make money through action, not a textbook. This is good. So I can say teaching how to code through action, not a textbook. Good? Sounds good? Sounds good. Get our students to code as quickly as possible. Learn around like-minded people and from like-minded mentors. I can just take this thing and adjust to my website, right? Copywriting, e-commerce, client acquisition, content creation, health and fitness. Yeah, his marketing aspect is no joke, but he's really good at that. Yeah, that's the thing. If he would be selling like legit stuff, not e-commerce, I don't care about e-commerce. Focused on new markets, AI. If you'd be selling how to make such a copy, for example, yeah, you can see from those screenshots he's selling the same old drop shipping millionaire dream. Exactly. This is drop shipping Amazon, FBA, or whatever. Like, it does work on certain people, and it totally doesn't work on other type of people. Automate your business. If you genuinely give 100% effort and don't at least make your money back, then quit. You can cancel at any time. That's why we are priced at fraction of the cost of regular. Okay. What is he charging? Okay, so he's charging $50 a month, which is actually quite expensive for communities. Like, that definitely lies on the more expensive. Yeah, it's definitely not the cheapest community. And look at this, he says 147. Why 47? Because apparently 7, so numbers like 7, they convert better than round numbers and even better than 99. He has a lot of screenshots. I never understood the purpose of those screenshots here though, because you can make them up so easy. The choice is yours. Do you want to become financially free? Go watch Netflix. Join the real world. See the metrics stuff. How quickly will I make my money back? In a couple of weeks. Yeah, man, this is good. This is good stuff. go watch Netflix. Don't go watch Netflix. It is. It is going to the Netflix. Yeah, that's hilarious. I mean, yeah, that's good. Good stuff. Good stuff. How did we end up here? How did we end up checking out Andrew Tate's course? Alright, so back to work actually. It's easy to get distracted, me. I'm always up for such type of distraction. So I was just reading up on the Smallbats website. Would you recommend me joining in? It depends what is your goal. Like, if you are you a developer? If you're a developer, it's not even so focused on developers actually. We do have a channel for developers, but there's, I don't know, I like the community. I hang out there from time to time. Okay, mate, I'll let you get back to work then. No, that's fine, that's fine. I like chatting. I mean, that's why I'm streaming. I like chatting while working. So I don't know, like, what's your goal with the community? I like it. It's like legit hustles university with like legit hustles and also a lot of talks. So I'm a dev working on a trade journaling portfolio tracker application. So yeah, same goal pretty much. Yeah, basically the idea, so the promise of small bets is, one thing I noticed, consistency. What are you working on right now, by the way? I'm working on the coding school. I am working on the coding school where you can go to the modules, you can open the modules, and you can practice the whole coding directly on the website. Like this. I mean, it doesn't have, at some point there are tasks. Yeah, if you're, so the whole idea behind small bets is that go and try to make your first $1,000 online. With don't try to build a huge business, as a lot of people say on the internet, right? Just make small bets, like make micro SaaS or like micro course, and try to make $1,000 with it. That's the whole promise of small bets. I like people who are making those small bets everywhere and try to get and see what works, and once you see something that works, you kind of double down. That's the whole philosophy of people there. Which I agree and disagree at the same time, but I'm part of the community, of course. Quite a good community. I mean, the thing is, the community is legit. Like, the community is not free, the people there, like, there's a lot of people with real businesses. And I'm also hanging out there. I just had a guy there who have built his Python course. No, so it's just all devs in the community. No. I would say devs is like maybe 10% or 20%. It's all the mixed guys. I don't know if I can actually show you. I think I can. Why not? Like, it's 6 people watching my stream. It's not. It's not a huge deal. So this is what we have here. A lot of people chatting here, and we have audience building. I'm always hanging out in audience building. It's really good. Yeah, small wins, get feedback. You can send feedback of your website. We're gonna criticize it. Those type of things. I should get my affiliate link from small bets. Yeah, if you join the small bets, just sway me there. Hi. but it's not life changing. So it's just good community. I'm still, the biggest thing that I'm missing is I've been looking for something exactly like this. Will seriously consider joining soon. Yeah, just join. And they have, you know what cool thing they have? And this is how my fascination with one-time payments pricing started. You can just buy lifetime membership. Like you pay once and that's it. And you don't have anything recurring. They used to have only this thing, and then they introduced also yearly membership. Like, I love the idea, and I think about implementing this idea for my course as well. I'm thinking about one-time purchase pricing too. Yeah, I think that software is kind of shifting into this one-time purchases. I can send you a link of the talk. It's called End of SaaS Era or something. Yeah, this one, Post SaaS Era. This is actually a super interesting talk about the shift that this guy sees. So this is, I think it's developer of Ruby on Rails. And what he says is that, imagine Slack, right? So I'm using Slack, for example, but I'm using a free version, but the free version sucks. If I were to use not the free, 30 cents is main inspiration for that idea. Yeah, if I would be using Slack for actually paying for each of the users, I have a very small community of 46 people multiplied by 8. I would pay already $400 for like nothing. It's like it's nothing. So I'm using Slack for teaching, so that's like a lot. But imagine if you have, for example, 500 people working there and you want to take a pricing of 15, then you pay so much. And I think for the corporate it's like even 30 or something. So you pay, and this is just per month, then you pay per year, so it definitely gets into really crazy numbers. And what he says, that imagine if instead of that you would pay one-time payment, let's say $1,000, and that's it. And you just, the only thing that you do is just get to host the software on your own. Basically, we are going back to 90s, before all the cloud stuff, where you owned your software. Do you need to maintain your product? Yeah, that's the thing. But the question is, like, look at Slack. How many new features did they produce? Not many in the last years. They did a redesign. But that's true. Do you need to maintain your product? But you see, you can, if you have one-time payment greater than LTV of your client, you basically included already. With the LMS project, it should work because the person will go off after learning. Exactly. So if I, for example, let's say I charge 150 per month, and I know that like on average people gonna spend 3 months, it's 450. If I just say one-time payment 500, I basically won, right? I love the idea of Apex learning, but how will yours be different than Code Academy or others? Well, the thing is, it's about Apex. That's the whole thing. Like, have you heard something about the language called Apex? I bet you didn't. And the reason for that is because it's a proprietary language of Salesforce. It's like super niche for just Salesforce. and we don't have our own code academy in Salesforce. So people, you know how people learn coding on Salesforce? They go learn Java on Code Academy or Codegym, and then they go back and relearn Apex. It's hell difficult. But on my side, it is a service that deploy connects with the CRM. At least I'm still planning to be so, and I'm not sure if I will need to maintain the integration. Yeah, I mean that's true, but like look at the small bets, right? You still need to run the community all the time. They still have one-time payment though, and the reason for that is because they include, basically they've made, let's say I think at this time this community have made $1 million. For $1 million and very low maintenance fee, you can run this thing for the next 50 years. Keep it going, bud. Thank you. It's gonna be the first code academy for the Salesforce ecosystem. That's what I'm working on. And I'm quite excited about that. Can I work with you? No, them. I'm not hiring. If someone thinks here that I'm hiring or will be able to give the work, no, I won't. Guys. How is it even supposed to work? Like, I don't know you. I don't, like, that's very strange. For free, just help. No, thank you. No, thank you. I appreciate it though. Thank you. Okay, so I have Apex syntax, then circle keywords. Hi. Okay, I'm thinking what structure should I do? I think I should be doing something like where keyword, combining conditions, and then limit keyword. Okay, definitely separate will be aggregate functions. Is there any video are you adding in the course? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna add video to the course, which I still need to record. But I think it's gonna be easy to record though. Like, I think because I have all the materials, just basically need to go through the materials through examples, or just written. Definitely adding a video. Relationships. Advanced. Okay, so and what should be the lesson 2? more keywords, let's say, more keywords. That could be helpful. Yeah, that will be definitely one of the selling points of what I'm building. The idea is that no matter how you practice, you should be able to no matter what's your learning style, you should be able to use the platform. Could buy, order by. For update. Offset. With. And then here data category. And using scope goes here as well. Okay, relationships. It goes parent to child and chat to parent. I also realized that I need to update the tasks that I have, because some of them, they actually insert something into the system and I never delete those things that I insert into the system, so I probably should clean it up. But that's not a big deal. I can start without it. And here also for view for update. Hey, join the small bets. Welcome. Welcome. Small bets, where's my paycheck for sending people to you? Say hi to me in the small bets. I'm mostly hanging out there in the building audience. Let's call it select. And then here we need to have type off. And I think using scope, I'm gonna move into the select as well. Positive vibes. What do you mean? Using scope. What is the using scope? What the hell is that? Okay, that belongs, so using scope belongs to the from. Okay, from. Encouraging people. Yeah. Working with dates also should be a separate topic. Should go here into the... Working with dates. I think today will be the biggest stream in terms of how many people watched and how many people wrote something in the chat, which is quite interesting. So, thank you everyone for engaging. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which would be a big milestone for me. Never thought I will get there. I had another YouTube channel in Ukrainian and I have there 3,000 subscribers, but I haven't posted there anything in the last year, maybe year and a half. Two, 3, 4. So I've got in total 4 lessons, which is good. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 topics. 16 topics. That's quite something. I mean, considering we have already 50 topics plus 16, that's gonna be what, 66 topics. Nice. And if in any of them we have, let's say, 2 tasks, in each of them we have 2 tasks, that's gonna be already plus 32 tasks. So we will be able to say that I have 130 plus tasks in total, which is nice, which is good selling point. I mean, this is awesome. It's gonna take a bit to develop those things though, but I already have a lot of them. Let's start creating the content for them. When I started in business, I wish someone had this type of stream. I wish someone would show me how to, like, how does it look like to create something. But funny thing, even if the platform looks good, I have doubts all the time. Like, sometimes I wake up and I'm like, what I'm doing? Like, it's so silly. What are you doing? Like, you're developing some kind of strange platform instead of running your main business courses. On top of that, you're just showing everything, like literally everything to everyone. Like, what the hell is that? Like, sometimes I have these doubts in my head. But so far, I managed to get away from those thoughts. Alright, so-called topic. Topic 1. Select. You know what? We can actually put type of into the select. And we can actually join select and from, I think, together, because there's not much to say about them. Select and from, I think already have them. Okay, let's just create them again. Select and from. Surprisingly, my internet seems to be working now. So so if you look at this, what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting here to get the ID, so that then later in the database we can wire this ID to the actual topic in the database. Here we go, and I could display them on the front end. Not discuss module 1. The same, I'm gonna say not discussed module 2. Type of using scope. Something that I didn't really discuss. Okay. This one done. Now where close. That should be the second topic. Not this one. Yeah, syntax. I don't want to have this syntax. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Don't need this. I don't need this one. Selecting from. Okay. So the next topic will be topic 2. That will be where. Where. Change amount. Query based on ID. Okay. Combining condition will be a separate one. It's gonna be topic 3, combining conditions. So this is the where and topic 3. Where's the topic 3? Is it topic 3? No. Oh, alright. That's not because of my internet this time. That's because the website is slow. You know what? Let me get more coffee. Let me warm up my coffee actually. I don't know. I can even have a lunch until this website loads. Like what the hell? How long does it take to load? That's my coffee. Ah, finally. Now I have the ID. Combining conditions. Working with dates. Working with dates. That's gonna be topic 4. To be done. Now I can warm up my coffee. I hope I'm still alive though. What is the topic 5? Limit keyword. Limit. I hope that I'm gonna get few feedback already today, this evening. Because we do need feedback from real people. Alright, let's get back to focus work. Now we need aggregate functions. Yo, what the hell is this coffee? Oh my god. That's so bad. That's so bad. To be done? I don't have anything for group buy, right? Yeah, I don't have anything for the group buy, so I'm gonna just say to be done. And that's fine for now. Even though I made the coffee for me, I'm not drinking that. It's so bad. Yeah, just wanted to check that it's actually bad. As if the first time was not enough. The same for the next one. For the order by, don't really have anything. Well, this is not aggregate functions. I need to include the actual aggregate functions. Aggregate functions. 6, topic 7. To be done. Or should I say topic 8 immediately? Yeah, gonna say topic 8. So this is... It should be 8. This thing should be 7, and this one should be 6. Let's see if I can actually put a playlist from here. What do I want? I want to have... I want to have relaxing piano. Is there such thing? Relaxing piano. Let's see if my internet can handle it. So I'm gonna turn off this music and I'm gonna tune in this one. Ow. Wow. Okay, I hope the sound is good. I hope it's not too loud. So just let me know if it's too loud. Aggregate functions. Again, this is some kind of work that I don't like, but that needs to be done. Typo here, child to parent. Okay, I think I can group them together for view and for update. For view and update to be done as well. Okay, those things, they all go in to be done. Okay, I'm done creating the tasks. Nice. And no, not the tasks, the topics. At least there's the structure for the topics. Oh, I should have written down which are to be done. I know that definitely this thing is to be done, and definitely this thing is to be done. Those to be done, and order by and group by. Type of to be done and from to be done. Ahmad, hi. These things to be done. Actually, quite a lot of them. So, not discuss type of using scope. Then group by, order by is not discussed as well. Group by, order by. Parent to child. Child to parent. Child to parent for view and for update. Review and for update. And offset. Okay, so not that many. Much less than I expected initially, because that's good. That's like manageable, let's say, in a couple of days. Much more important, so I'm gonna close these things. They're like none of them is, let's say, let's call it syntax here. None of them are basics. Yeah, none of them is in the database, and that's fine for now, because I just wanted to create the structure so that at least the structure can be shown. Wait, then we need to put them in database. That's fine. The structure is good. I mean, I already have the overview. What I should focus on is completely finishing the first module. And by completely finishing, I mean that I need to add there some tasks that are not discussed. Right? So I need to go through each of them and see what's missing and what should be improved. So for that, it would be nice if they were in the right order, but now they're not. Syntax, right? They're not in the right order. Unfortunately, they're not. But I know their orders, so okay. Variables. Let's do variables. I mean, Sasha is working on making them into right order, but it's still gonna take a bit of time. Okay, so we have variables, we have the tasks, variable types, we have the types. That's good. I think this is good. The first one here, yeah, I just need to create a video for that, but that's fine. I already have all the materials. That's good. Variables, good. Classes. I think class is also good. Apex class, blah blah blah. You can create there. Class variables. Blah blah blah. Creating objects. Yeah, awesome. Okay. Let me actually write down here in the projects that done. Okay, to do. What do I have? What do I still need to do? I need to create, let's say, finish module 1. And I need to do it. Let's work. And estimations, let's say, I would say 24 hours. That's the estimation for me. Okay, I'm gonna need to put a lot of work into this. First, I need to record record videos. Record videos, that's gonna be quite a bit of work. I'm gonna write here to do. Lesson 1. And like this, all the 11 lessons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All the 11 lessons. This definitely goes as a subtask here. I want to create a website too. Then go and create. What's preventing you from creating? Record videos. Let's say my estimation. Okay, so for creating videos, my estimation will be 20 hours. So probably finish module 1 should be more like 50 hours estimation. Okay, so we have estimation 20 hours for recording videos. Edit videos. Well, that's actually a lot of work. when I write it down, I see how much work it is, because we also need to edit the videos in the right order, so that they match. Okay, that's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that. Okay, edit videos. Edit videos, estimation 8 hours. Let me actually update here to 24. Then write missing materials. Write missing materials. And what's missing? So let's see what's missing. Something, so I'm gonna only focus on the most important things. Turn list, it's good. Turn single record, it's good. Dynamic circle, okay. So here's everything good. What about loops? Okay, looks good. As objects, everything looks good in as objects. Yep, that looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Methods. I think methods also good. Okay, so I don't have that many missing materials. Oh, just a second. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. I am back. Okay, for how long have I been streaming, by the way? 1 hour, 26 minutes. Nice. Okay, so that's all of this looks good. I think I just need to record the videos for this, and then that's gonna be done. Methods, variables, good. Lists. Let's have a look at lists. Here we go. For each loop. What is this topic doing here anyway? Right? For each loop, what it's supposed to be doing in the lists? I don't think it belongs into the lists though. And what are we practicing here? Yeah, I think it should belong to the for each topic. Yeah, we have a separate topic for each, right? Yeah, this one for each. And it has theory. So we need to put the tasks that are here. We need to put them. Okay, let's collect the IDs of those tasks. Let me change here to the admin panel. Okay, so first we need to collect the IDs of them. I don't even need to go here, just go here. Okay, I do need to go here. That's the ID of the task. No, what's going on? Wait. My god. Okay, so that's the task number 1. The second task, get smallest. Get smallest. ID copied. The third task, create an integers. Alright, I have the tasks. Now I only need to go to the MongoDB and I need to delete this whole Yeah, I basically need to delete this whole topic from, what topic is it, by the way? I think it's this one, right? And I need to delete this topic from... Yeah, I need to put it in the different lesson. Wait, how do I do it? I'm not so sure. Topics. Oh no, okay, I know what I need to do. I need to go to the lessons. I need to find the right lesson, which would be for each, probably the last one, for each. And here in the topics will be one topic. And for this topic, I need to find this topic here. I need to find it, and then I need to put the tasks there. Okay, now those are the tasks. Now replace in the topic. Now I need to find this for each topic, and I need to delete it. Hmm. That's strange. Okay, let's go to the lessons. And this is the lesson called lists. Lists. And we have 4 topics there. One of them is the one that I should delete. It should probably number 5, number 4 probably. Okay, so it should be this one. Okay, so this one gets deleted. How can I delete it completely? Go switch to JSON. Lists, topics. Place. Ideal, hello. Alright, and it looks like it's gone. Nice. If I go back to for each, should be able to see the tasks. Yes, I'm see the task. See the tasks. Nice, 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 nice. Alright. That's good. So lists, so now the lists, they look good. They look good. They look good. Lists, DML in Apex. Do I have everything for DML in Apex? I think I do. Yep. Keep going, you're doing great. Thank you. What's this classes? Why did I click on classes? Okay, because classes are here. Okay. Maps. Let's have a look at the maps. Okay, so maps theories. The theory for maps is missing. That's which is strange. Maps. I need to have a look. Maybe I just somewhere hidden. I definitely have training materials on maps, quite a lot. Yeah, but anyway, maps are missing. Okay. Anything else missing? If else. If else. Else is good. It's good as well. Multiple if else. And here's modulo is missing. A modulo will be quick. Modulo. And I think that's everything. So for each, yeah, that's all. That's only two topics are missing. That's nice. That's really great, right? Missing topics. Okay, I would estimate it for, let's say, 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours. Write missing material and then write missing tasks. Write missing tasks. So the tasks will be estimation 8 hours. 8 hours. And now let's see. I should have to each of the topic. I should have tasks. Sokol. How do we do it with the writing down? Because it's gonna be a bit chaotic now. I think I should do it based on the lesson. Let me copy this whole thing here. Because I'm sure in each of them there are some tasks that are missing. Okay, let's see. Variables, module 1. I'm gonna delete this done thing because it's not done. Variables are good. I should have done it in the last time when I went through all of them. Variables are good. Variables done. Classes are also good. I know that they're good. Done. Methods are good as well. Done. S objects. I think S objects are not good. Task 2, construct. Ah, no, S objects. Now I remember S objects. Okay, could be constructors in S objects. That's something that we need to do. Constructors in S objects. I mean, of course, we can do it till like endlessly, but I still wanna. I only gonna create tasks for the most important topics that people struggle with. Relationships in Apex. Okay, that's good. As objects, if else switch. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah. All right. Lists. Yeah, for lists, definitely. I do need, and it's gonna be easy to create. Creating lists, adding, getting element from the list. What's going on with the music, by the way? Is it all done?
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know
Lists, methods, sets. That's spam. Hi. What a nickname. Sets. Well, I should rename it to not covered. That's so funny because what do you mean not covered? You literally have here a huge lesson on this topic. What do you mean not covered? Of course it's a bit stupid here. We didn't cover which topic is that actually? What are you doing? I am building my own coding school for Salesforce Development. And currently I am writing down the topics that are still missing tasks to add to them. Is that the music? Is it the track that's doing the sound? What the hell? It is so annoying. covered. Cool. I hope it's cool. Lesson 6, right? Let me search for lesson 6 then. Lesson 6. Let's see, it's just day 25. We won't be launching till day 30, that's for sure. But maybe until day 45? That's more realistic. I also want to be entrepreneur, but it looks tough. That's why I am looking for a full-time job. Yeah, I don't know, I think if you work full-time job and get like a real skill, that's so good. Like, that's a direct way to be entrepreneur. If I didn't work for 4 years as a Salesforce developer, I wouldn't be able to build this business. I know, I'm trying to find this to modify, but I can't find it. 6. Why are you using WordPress? We're using so-called headless CMS. Basically, we are using WordPress to host the theory of the lessons, and we use Next.js for the front end. It appears to be quite a popular practice, though. That's much better. Oh, wait a second. Can I even put this music? I'm not so sure. Let's just put classical music. Classical music. I'm not so sure because I think Twitch is actually super good, so Twitch doesn't really ban. But YouTube, don't want to get my YouTube banned. Lists. Are you planning something like Udemy, Coursera? No. Not that big. Okay, so that's the... Okay, finally I found the WordPress ID of what I'm searching. Can I now search here just by WordPress ID? Maybe I can, yeah, I can just post here. we3schools.com. I mean, it's impossible to develop such a website. Like, those websites, they were developing by like 20 years for huge teams of a lot of developers and a lot of resources. Additional theory. Let's call it additional theory. Okay, additional theory. That's indeed something that still needs quite a bit of tasks. What's the next? Loops. I think loops are good. Yeah, they're good. That's fine. I don't want to include additional tasks for that. There are plenty of tasks in the for each. So for each, yeah, there are like 7 tasks in the for each, so it's good. Now DML in Apex. Yeah, that's something that is missing. Okay, DML in Apex. Insert, update, absurd lists in DML. That's definitely something that people need to practice, and it's not difficult. The fonts and colors look simple and I like it because sometimes when you study coding you have to look at the screen too much time and colors and lights can be exhausting. Yeah, I agree. I mean, after we launch, if the project is successful, we're definitely gonna implement a black theme, dark theme for that, but that's in the future. Hey, how to post the data from the local MongoDB to Atlas? No idea. No idea. If you're here for learning any programming concept, you're here wrong. I am not good at those things. I mean, I'm okay at those things. I can develop stuff. But I'm not teaching them. I'm teaching Salesforce. If you're here for Salesforce, that's where you can learn something in Salesforce. Or in business. Guess those 2 things. Okay, maps are good. Socle and Apex, and that would be the last. Socle and Apex. Yeah, here I definitely do need something like Socle and loops. I would say would be a good opportunity to include some tasks. Socle relationships. Okay, here are some tasks, good. I do need a little bit more. And I would say Socle return list is also. Socle return list. I am junior ML engineer, so I need business advice for my future startup ideas. Don't try to do a startup. Try to make first $100 on the internet. Don't try to do startup. Like, usually, so here's the way it goes usually. Let me put something else. Let me put something. That's a known. Here we go. That's the music. So usually the way it goes is that you have an idea for something. You're like, oh, I have such a cool idea. Or like this, I don't know, clone for Twitter but with AI, and then you start coding it. You code for 3 months, and then you either burn out because you realize that it's actually much more work than you first thought, even for a simple project, or you finish the project, but then you're like, okay, so now how do I actually get the users? You go in few places in the internet and you realize that you have no idea about marketing and you have no idea how to actually get the users. And at this point, your project fails. So don't try to code something. First try to market it. First try to go speak to people and try to sell them first. That's the thing. I'm building on top of already existing business. So I would say at least that's the way I would do it. I'm doing this thing now because I know that I will be able to use it. I will be able to use it for my course. I will be able to use it. I don't want to create another Udemy course. But this is something that people ask me a lot. And I want to take it next level. Why creating a Udemy courses? I want to create a fucking platform for people to learn there. Like, I wanna go bigger than just Udemy course, because I don't like Udemy courses. I don't think they are effective, but platforms that I develop, I think it will be much more effective. I think it will. You need practice, so you cannot just have a Udemy course. You need to have like structured way, structured theory, structured tasks, everything, and you need to be guided through it. That's what I'm building, and I'm even if this whole business will not be successful, I still gonna be running my courses, still gonna be doing my courses, and I will be using this platform to make the workload for me for running the courses less, which will definitely improve, because the less workload I have, the more quality for my students I can deliver. If I have to work on my course for insane amount of time, that's one thing. If I have to work, if everything is automated, all the homework's automated and everything is there, I don't have to work that much. I can focus on delivering really good stuff and really good training materials. And that's my focus. This is what I'm focusing. And I guess I got actually super hungry. So as the last time, I tell you, like, whenever you go and stream, I I don't know, I get super hungry. I get super hungry. Let's see. So I think it was a really nice stream, guys. So thank you everyone, and see you tomorrow. I'll be streaming tomorrow, and I hope I will be streaming tomorrow for a very long time. So see you tomorrow. Bye.